Being here at the Foodex manufacturing show, the thing that stands out for me is the sheer number of suppliers. As soon as I walk through the door, I already have found the solution that we do not have in our production across the UK.
Foodex Manufacturing Solutions we consider to be a #1 show for the UK. The number of diverse visitors we get here and the number of participating exhibitors is absolutely fantastic.
You've got to think about what it is that's going to motivate and get people to buy into the message.
A lot of the conversations I've had here have been really thought-provoking. If you ever want to do networking in the industry, I can't think of a better place to do it all in a day or two.
Allows us under one roof to meet all of the real key buyers in the industry. They can come and see the equipment, hands-on, find out what we as a business can do to support the food industry. For us, it's the #1 show.
By attending Foodex Manufacturing Solutions, you can see live demonstrations, you can talk to people. It's so important to come and actually see these trends in action and engage with like-minded professionals.